Another day, another story. There are many ways to make money online, and the best approach for you will depend on your skills, interests, and experience. Here are some ideas to get you started. Freelancing. If you have a specific skill set such as writing, design, or programming, you can offer your services as a freelancer on websites such as Upwork or Fiverr. Selling products. You can sell products online through marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Alternatively, you can create your own online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Online surveys. You can make money by completing online surveys on websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting products or services through affiliate marketing programs such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Teaching or tutoring. You can offer your expertise in a particular subject by teaching or tutoring online. Websites like Udemy or Skillshare allow you to create and sell online courses. Virtual assistant. You can offer administrative support services to businesses or entrepreneurs as a virtual assistant. Websites like TaskRabbit or Zirtual can help you find clients. Remember that making money online requires effort and dedication, and it may take some time to see significant results. However, with persistence and the right approach, you can create a successful online business or side hustle.